In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use call tracking in Bitrix24 CRM. Hi everyone! Today I'll show you how to use call tracking in Bitrix24 CRM. By the end, you'll understand how to get your calls flowing into the CRM so you can see who called, when they called, and how those calls connect to your leads and customers. First, log into your Bitrix24 account and head straight to the CRM. You'll find the CRM option in the main navigation panel, typically on the left side of your workspace. If you don't see it right away, expand the menu to reveal all sections. Opening the CRM ensures that any call activity will be captured where your deals, contacts, and leads live. If your Bitrix24 has role-based access, make sure your profile has CRM and telephony permissions so you can see call data later. Next, look for sales channels inside the CRM and select telephony. Sales channels is the area where Bitrix24 connects your communication tools, and telephony is the hub dedicated to phone calls. This is where call tracking begins, and it's designed to be straightforward. Opening telephony gives you access to the settings and connection options you'll use for your phone numbers or services. Now, connect a phone number or a calling service. Bitrix24 supports different ways to do this, such as renting a number directly through the platform or connecting a service your team already uses. Choose the option that matches your organization's setup and follow the on-screen prompts to complete the connection. Keep in mind that connecting telephony may require administrator rights, and certain options depend on your Bitrix24 plan. If your team uses a specific provider, pick that integration so your incoming and outgoing calls route correctly into the CRM. With your number or service connected, you're ready to make or receive a call. You can place a quick test call to confirm everything is working, or simply wait for a customer to call your connected number. As soon as the call happens, the details will appear in the CRM. You'll typically see the call direction, time, duration, and, if enabled for your account, a recording and call source. If the phone number already belongs to an existing contact, the call will attach to that record. If it's a new number, the system can create a new lead for you automatically. From there, you can continue your normal CRM work, confident that your call history is captured and easy to find. And that's how you use call tracking in Bitrix24 CRM. Quick and easy. Don't forget to like,